Hey, what's up? What do you guys think?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. Hey, I'm Brett with Premier Guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, Guthrie, Govan. We're at Cornford with a man that really doesn't need the introduction. Great playing, man.
Very kind.
We're honored.
God bless you, sir, for your kind words.
Yeah, you got it. I'm here with Wally. What's up, Wally?
Hey, how's it going, Brett?
It's going good after hearing all that. You guys have a new amp here. It's called the Roadhouse. Tell me a little bit about it, and then maybe he can play a little bit more for us.
Yeah, it's real simple. The Roadhouse range is actually a Cornford boutique amplifier that we're doing in printed circuit board to bring down the cost to the average consumer so they can get into a Cornford at an easier cost.
So the whole idea is really, hey, this is the big Cornford tone that we're kind of familiar with, but it's accessible and, you know, guys can get into it.
Exactly. That's the whole process.
Okay, so take us through some of the sounds. Let's hear a clean sound.
Sure.
Beautiful. Okay, so 50 obviously. What were the tubes again?
Well, these are EL34s.
Yeah. So you got a clean sound, and then where else can you take us from there?
It's a single channel amp with a gain boost that's selectable.
Okay.
So I can gain up this channel. And I can foot switch and access the boost function, which is on the same
And
channel.
this takes it to a ripping lead tone.
Yeah.
So it's basically straight up, pretty simple. You get the Cornford tone, but you get into the amp at an affordable price.
Exactly.
Some of the other amps behind me, these guys have been around for a while, but maybe they're new to some of our gang. Tell me what we got here.
Sure. This is the flagship for Cornford. This is the MK52. It's a 50-watt amp. It's a 2-channel with an adjustable gain boost and 2 effects loops. So you can use either EL34s or 6L6s with this amplifier.
Tell me a little bit about the cabinets, because I've always heard, you know, Cornford's well known for having some of the best cabs around.
Right. The thing that's different about the Cornford cabinets is that they're made of pine, and we use vintage 30s, but the pine takes care of some of the problems with a vintage 30 that some of the customers ask me about on a daily basis. The Cornford heads actually sound the best with the Cornford cabs because they're matched.
Yeah, and it's matched up. The Kotzen model.
Yep, this is Richie Kotzen's signature head. It's the 100-watt amplifier in the line. Touch responsiveness, you know, like a non-master volume Marshall. It has a gain boost that's selectable with a foot switch, and it has an effects loop on it.
Very cool. Straight up, simple, no frills, big
Exactly.
Cornford sound.
Big sound.
Big sound. And then over here, this looks like, kind of looks like the Roadhouse.
Yeah, this is the Roadhouse 50 in the combo version. The Roadhouse comes in either 30 or 50 watts. You can get it in a head or a combo.
That's cool. And then another combo we caught over here.
Yeah, this is the 30-watt Roadhouse combo, and it's pretty hefty. It's very solid.
And what's in the cab for a speaker on this?
We use vintage 30s for all the cabs.
Straight across the board, always everything. Well, hey man, thanks so much, and it's a pleasure to hear this man play. I think I'm gonna ask him to take it out. Hey, I'm Brett. You're watching PremierGuitar.com.